Bring your feet apart, more or less some distance at your hips, shoulders. Bring your arms up. Let's energize the body. Every time you inhale, imagine you are bringing the best from your feet all the way up to your spine, towards the fingertips. So as you hold there, we're gonna hold for about 6 count, hold. As you exhale, your attention moves back down, but we can keep the best in as you pull everything in. So maybe relax your hands now. Relax your shoulders. Now let's go up together. Bring your arms up. Bend your knees a little bit if you need. And now exhale completely. And inhale. Bring, pulling the best from the feet all the way up. Pull it up. As it reaches the fingertips, hold. Keep your attention there. 4, 5, 6, and now the attention moves back down towards the feet. And again, inhale from your feet, pulling the best from the earth. All the way up. And hold the breath there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now exhale back to the ground. And again, inhale the best one. Pull in the best. Bring it up towards the fingertips. And hold. Exhale, the attention moving back through the body, through the spine, back to the feet. Bring your arm. So let's repeat. Bring your arms up. Imagine bring the best. Energize your body with positive, good energy. Your intention here is super important. So close your eyes and exhale completely. And again start. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold the breath there on the fingertips. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Exhale back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, inhale, bringing, pulling, best. All the way up to the spine, towards the arms and fingertips. Keep the energy there on the fingertips. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Exhale back. Your attention is moving down to the arms, upper body, hips, legs, and back to the feet. And again, inhale. And hold. Exhale back. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your arms down. Breathe normally. And contemplate any subtle change.